Hello, mga tao. I'm preparing for a show. Wait lang, let me do this real quick.
Marirestrict ka sa buhay.
Instagram. Ayun ano. Hello, hello, hello. Hello mga taong bayan. I just wanna say na may show ako later sa... Saan nga yun? Sa La Elotes Taft, 7 p.m. Walk-ins, $350. Pre-sale is $299. And I'm kind of gagged na ganun yung price nila. Slay Divas. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys. I might go to Hosek after. So, if you wanna after party with the dolls, you already know where to catch the dolls. Versaint, my love, how are you? Iris, are you gonna go? Wait, nandyan ka pa ba sa, ano? Are you in... Where are you again? Baguio. Wait lang, this kinda needs focus. Oh, ilang filter, wait. Gusto ko parang darkness. Oh, naman na ito. Dark ba to? Just too dark. Okay, that's too dark too. Hello mga taong bayan. Ito na lang. Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. Thank you. Please say hi Rexy. Hi Rexy, my love. I'll see you soon. Or I'll see you later. Go. Punta yan si Iris. Perfect. Ina, sabi niya, Friday siya uuwi. Scammer talaga to si AC, I'm sure.
AC?
Oo, andito na naman siya. AC, kamusta yung date niyo ni Ken? Baby! Oh, binigyan kita ng twink ha. Twink verse. Chills.
Bilang pink bottom. Pero okay na.
Hindi lang twink bottom, kasi gusto mo twink bottom eh. Ang lamig neto sa mata, what the hell? Pero parang hindi siya even, wait lang. I need to invest on more of these kasi parang hindi na kailangan mag-cut crease with this one. Yun na yun. That's the eye look. Charis. Alis na ako ng bahay. Kim. Dark gray daw. Kasi mag-eyeliner at least.
Pag ako mag-line.
Gagawin is the usual check eye. See you later, see you later, see you later. Go. Nag-restrict ako sa TikTok, so I went here. Carry lang.
Tingnan ko yung silver. At silver to?
Oo.
Ito ba tayo?
Bitch.
I mean, ginamit ito yung kasi hindi naman nag-play yung list.
Hindi muna ako magsasalita kasi nag-eyeliner ako, carry lang. Is the eyeliner popping? It looks so good sa camera din. I'm using eyeshadow, by the way. Because I haven't seen a makeup pro that uses liquid liner. Not saying I'm a pro, but mas comfortable lang. Hold up, hold up. Wait lang daw, wait lang daw. Nag-eyeliner yung tao, wait lang. Wait lang sabi, di ba? Anyways. Mas pasabog to, wait lang. Hello everybody, hello everybody. Fake na yan, fake na yan, fake na yan. Aba, syempre AC, bakit ka pa na ano? Why are you gagging? Nag-eyeliner ng tao, wait lang daw. See you later, Mother Salayla the Spurrier. I'll see you there, I'll see you there. To everyone watching, Lailotus later 7 p.m. Slation Real viewing party, go. Effect ba yung mata? Medyo unblendation, oh my god. Yes, I've watched the new trailer. Pasabog siya, pasabog siya. Ang gorgeous talaga ng babae na to. Maraming salamat, maraming salamat. Old news, old news. Cheerios. I'm not sure. I'm trying to experiment on this new liquid eyeshadow. So ang alam ko, medyo smudge proof to siya. So, not really sure how to play with it, but tingin daw ako powder. I think powder daw.
Sabog.
Wala.
Shit! Nag-smudge.
First time ko ginamit yung Get Ready with Me Kenny. Kasi pinagpasabog to pag why did I even use this for powder? I'm gonna set my files. See you later sa Lilo. Let's go, 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 go.
contour shade mo dyan.
Wait lang.
At contour mo ito. I-regulate mo ito with this mouth.
See you later, see you later, see you later. Go. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hi daw, Yuli sabi nung Irene. Hello, Irene, my love. Queen, ito new account ko. Pasabog, love that. Bakit kami bagong account? Is that a fallout? Oh my god. Gusto ko yung kay Mix na ano, white MAC powder foundation. I could not find it everywhere. Should be hard zip. Oh, ayaw na filter. Next filter. OA din. Wala na ng filter. Pasabog pa ako. Ang confident ko naman sa no filter. Wow. Nakita takabalaligat sa Michaels. What's a Michaels? Where? What? Parang I haven't been to any Michaels. A Michaels where? US. Ganda ng shimmer. Maraming salamat, maraming salamat. Metallic hey hey. My kilidanan. Leche! What was I doing? I'm always out and about everywhere, okay? Bitch, is that cake? Am I caking? Oh my god. Everybody, I'm caking. I'm gonna kill myself. Done. Anong oras na ba?
3:27. An hour of makeup for me? That's new.
Effect. Wait lang daw. Sana take mo today night. I'll be at La Elotes staff today. I have a show. Viewing party Station Royale. So, ano, off mo daw yung ilaw dyan sa isang room. siya lagyan ng silver all around the perimeter. I placed glitter, carry lang. Whatever. Ano daw? May plan kang mag-vlog. Tinatamad ako, I gave up on vlogging because I fucking hate editing like long ass videos. But I did have like 3 content na hindi ko in-edit. So, or maybe 4 contents. Hindi niyo pala nakikita. My God. Not a fucking Rincon girl. Missed that episode. And it's still true love. You're welcome. And I need Botox. Stop. It's been a year. Hello. Welcome to my life. Yes. Pwede kang focus na ako sa makeup. Carry lang. Magsa-story na lang ako later. Go. I'll see you guys. La Elotes, Taft, 7 p.m. Go. Station Real, viewing party. Go. Bye.